So I get asked about these a lot. These are my Meta Ray-Ban glasses. They're AI glasses. They're prescription and they're transition, so the sun is outside, prescription inside. But what's cool about them is I've got built-in cameras and microphones and speakers. I can hear voices in my head. So I use it for taking photos on the fly, recording on the fly, listening to podcasts, taking phone calls. If I get a text message or something, it'll read it out to me. No one else can hear this. And then they're AI glasses too, so things like normal AI assistant sort of stuff. I can ask questions, it'll give me answers. I can ask what's in front of me and it'll tell me what I'm looking at. So I find it useful for capturing content on the go, or maybe you're like an event or something like that, and there's a slide up on the screen at a conference. You can just snap a photo and document it, or there's buttons and hardware where I can just say, hey Meta, start recording. You see there's a white light on one of these sides, which means the camera's going, and so I'm recording now.
What about when you're on the phone walking around, like you're talking to yourself?
One of the useful things I find is like when I'm in the shopping list for groceries, whatever, I can ask what's on my shopping list and I can say mark that off, or I've got this, mark that off. So I get weird looks for that, but I also get really weird looks when I'm on phone calls because there's nothing in my ears. I'm not holding my phone, I'm just talking to myself and no one can hear the other people talking to me. So often people walk up to me to start chatting, but I'm on the phone. But it doesn't look like I'm on the phone, so I just get weird looks.
How do you see them working in the future for businesses and all personal use?
I guess for work use in the future, it's going hands-free. If I'm hands-on device or doing something, I've got a question, I can just speak aloud. I've got a voice assistant that's in my head, so it's private as well. I can hear the information and no one else can. And then there's a whole wider use case too for people not so much work, visually impaired. They can ask what they're seeing, or I was actually in Aussie and I was getting directions. So I had it on Google Maps on my phone. Because my phone knew where I was, I could hear the maps in my head saying turn right here, go forward here. And then you might see something interesting, oh, what's that building, and it will tell me. So there's cool personal use cases too. So I can take a photo just by snapping it, or hey Meta, take a photo. Oh, one of the other cool things is live translation. If I'm speaking to someone, not that it often happens, in French or Italian, I get the live translation back to English in my head.
When you say in your head, where do you actually mean? There are no implant in your head?
They're little like voice conducting speakers, no bone conducting speakers, so it's like a speaker but a vibrator type thing. So I can hear it clearly in my ears, but no one else can.
It's on the end of the arm of the glasses.
Yeah. So I call it voices in my head because that's what it looks like to everyone else.
If people wanted to purchase them, what would they do? Where would they go?
I picked them up in Australia, and then for the prescriptions, there's a site online where you can plug in a prescription and get them sent to you. You pop out the lenses, pop in new ones, and good to go.